Peter, Naomi.
Yeah.
So the new thing for this week was the double turn.
No, that's not like this. Hit it. Rock, step, triple step, turn, turn, triple step. That's what you're going to use when you get a little more experience. For now, here's what we had to do. Rock, step, triple step,
Different ending?
walk, triple step. Rock, step, triple step, turn, turn, triple step. Hey, can you show the followers turning down that line one time?
Sure, followers re-practice, getting ready to go half, half, and then just that little turn left over to the end.
And leaders, if you can, just do your footwork. Everyone's doing this stuff, and it's a lot, I know. Okay, then, he's reminded you of the swing up. Finger pits, you know what we mean. Sorry, people, we didn't take the class. And then, leaders, I want you to give a 1 and a 5 really clear, and then move yourself to get ready in between those. So, 1, 5, getting ready. 1, I say something. 5, I say something. Gotta make sure we're clear about that. Get yourself ready to say the next thing.
And when he says say something, you're saying it with your body. You don't keep saying it with your arm. That's what I was reminding the leaders of. Followers, we're not going to our leader, we're going past our leader. And we're doing it with the same rhythm we always do, so that means your triple step's going to feel a little crossy, and that is okay.
And then it has to cross so that you can face your partner, so you catch your back, not your front. That's what we want right there. So, rock, step, triple. It's very tempting when we say really go for that followers to take 2 big ass steps and then stop dead. That doesn't work. Small steps, nice and patient, and then continue. That's your work. So the leader started. I say, I started.
I finished.
I started.
I finished.
It go like that. Good luck next week, everybody.